So, tapos na ako maligo. So, I'm fresh! Damn! Ayan, so, I'm home and I miss Province. I really miss Province. And look, this is my kwarto. Our kwarto, ladies and jellyfish. Diba? It's so nice, very aesthetic. Oh. Ayan, yung lang na yan medyo hindi aesthetic, pero okay na din.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Oh, may sabit-sabit. Oh, pa, kabog. Ayan, ito naman yung aming harap. Oh, diba, kabog. Wait lang, mams. Oh, diba? Yan ang atake namin. Tapos may julo dun, oh. Oh, no. Ano ang aking title? Oh, diba? Nasa taas. So, anyway, papahinga na because later is the birthday. Actually, today na ang birthday, technically. Birthday ni Lola Earth. So, that's it. Fresh na before you sleep. Good night, everyone! Have a safe every day. Bobo! Dali na to.
Ay, tanga mo! Ha?
Bobo ka.
Nangihina ako sa kabobohan mo.